How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop without a USB cable. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from iPhone to laptop without a USB cable. You can transfer files from your iPhone to your laptop without a USB cable using various methods. One way is by using third-party apps like Air Transfer, ShareIt, Air Copy, or Documents, which allow you to send files over Wi-Fi. For Air Transfer, download the app on your iPhone, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, and import files into the app. Then, open the provided URL on your laptop's browser to download the files. For Air Copy, install the software on your PC, open it, and scan the displayed QR code with your iPhone. This will open a web page where you can select the transfer files. If you prefer Documents, install the app, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, go to docstransfer.com on your laptop, and enter the 4-digit code displayed on your iPhone. You can then upload and transfer files instantly. You can also use iTunes Wi-Fi Sync by enabling Wi-Fi syncing on your iPhone and selecting the files from iTunes on your PC. Bluetooth is another option. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices, pair them, go to Bluetooth File Transfer, select Send Files, and choose the PC you want to transfer to. Lastly, iCloud Drive allows you to upload files from your iPhone and download them on your PC via the iCloud website or iCloud Drive folder on Windows. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.